Want to take a couple moments to talk about our team. We have a seasoned, dedicated team of not only asset managers, but construction professionals as well. The team is broken into 4 distinct groups. The primary servicing team handles those current loans, the ones with the statuses that are current. Those are performing LROs that have active renovation projects going on and have yet to reach their maturity date. Each individual LRO, each individual asset has a dedicated asset manager communicating and coordinating with those borrowers on a regular recurring basis, tracking performance, production, and touching base with them when things don't seem to be progressing as quickly as we'd like to see them. After that comes our special servicing team. That team is dedicated to focusing on those loans that have gone into what we call an extended status. Those are loans that have eclipsed their maturity date, but yet progress is continuing. Work is being done, draws are being taken, the borrowers are working feverishly towards completing their projects and either getting them on the market for sale or looking to refinance them and repay the loans with ground floor. That special servicing team focuses on extension management as well as define borrower engagement to touch base with them on a monthly basis and make sure that those loans are progressing towards repayment. The third part of our asset management team is our default servicing team. They handle the loans that have matured, the borrowers are unable to pay, and unfortunately, at this point, ground floor has had to engage an attorney to file a legal foreclosure action on that borrower. There's still communication going on. The borrowers are still able to refinance those loans. The borrowers are still able to sell those products and repay ground floor. And we're going to talk about that in a few slides. Additionally, the default servicing team also handles those properties that have gone through the foreclosure process, move into what's called REO or real estate owned, where ground floor now is in complete possession of the property. We prepare the property for sale and market. We then go ahead and list it and sell it. The fourth team that we have is our construction management team. And these are dedicated, seasoned construction professionals that not only review budgets, but they're reviewing the draws that borrowers are making as they're progressing with those loans. I do want to take a minute and talk about the draw process a little bit because I think it's important. The draw process is a method in which the borrower requests for reimbursement on work that they've completed. The borrower pays out of pocket for the work to be completed, requests the refund from ground floor. Ground floor then sends out a third-party inspection company to put eyes on the property. We do an interior and an exterior inspection. A report's produced. That report is then provided back to ground floor, and our construction team reviews that. We make sure that we're tick and tying the progress together with the amounts that have been requested. Once we've confirmed that, then we'll go ahead and release the draw, that payment back to the borrower, so they can pay their subs and continue on their project. On average, each property gets about 5 to 10 of these inspections during the life cycle. That gives us a tremendous opportunity to really see what's going on inside, outside the project, and to ensure that the work is being done per the original budget and scope of work.